Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the Quantum Gold Pro EA for MT5. This is a specialized gold trading system using quantum inspired logic or advanced algorithms for XAUUSD. So let's see what the developer claims and how it performed during my own personal backtest. Before we dive into all that, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of candlestick patterns built in along with indicators by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get into it. I'll just click on more. So from the MKL5 page, the Quantum Gold Pro EA is designed specifically for trading gold. As you can see, it's optimized for gold, XAUUSD, with sophisticated quantum-inspired algorithms that analyze markets or multiple market dimensions for high probability entries. It focuses on capturing both trend and reversal opportunities in the volatile gold market while maintaining strict risk controls. The EA likely incorporates multi-factor analysis, like dynamic adaptation to volatility and advanced trade management. It is optimized for specific time frames on XAUUSD and emphasizes consistency through layered filters and protections. Alright, so you can see how it is. For the trial edition, it has limited features for evaluation, fixed internal settings, and it's for demo and testing purposes. The recommended settings are the XAUUSD for the symbol, the time frame M15 or M30. You should do it on a low spread broker, and VPS is recommended for continuous operation. Looking at the features, you can see, like I previously said, is optimized for gold, XAUUSD, automatic buy slash sell trading system, basket take profit control, spread and margin protection, dashboard display on charts, smart risk management, and easy setup for beginners. Right. So taking a look at some of the developers backtest reports. As you can see, for an initial deposit of $500, um, the total net profits over the period the developer carried out the test was $30,649 dollars. That's quite a number considering the initial deposits. The profit factor was 1.55. The balance drawdown was 10.30%. Let's take a look at the equity curve as well. Okay, we can see how it moves upwards smoothly in kind of like a 45-degree angle line. So looking at this or taking this at face value, it looks like the EA performs relatively well. But does that actually hold up when I put it through my own personal back tests? Let's quickly take a look. I had the opportunity to run this EA using the recommended pair XAUUSD on the recommended time frame M15 for the custom period of a year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026, and I got the following results. Okay, for the equity curve, first of all, you can see how ours looks compared to what we have on the developer side. You can see that on the developer side, we had kind of like a straight up um, movements on the equity curve. But in this case, you can see periods of struggle, periods of drawdown as well, where it actually went into losses. But overall, it managed to recover towards this point. You can see it ended up quite above where it started out. And this is also reflected in the backtest results. Okay, as you can see, for the initial deposit of $10,000, we managed to end in a profit of $401, just above $401 actually. Compared to what the developer had on the site, I've said the number is quite small. It's quite small compared to the developer's claims, so I can't really see is in line with what the developer claims. Because in that case, we had just an initial deposit of $500 and we had crazy profits from that. But in this case, we had very minimal profits on a $10,000 account. Settings could also be a factor, but overall, I don't think the comparison is exactly what the developer claims. We can see that the profit factor is just 1.05 and the balance drawdown is 3.33%. The total number of trades taken in the 1 year period were 4,976. So the EA was actually quite active. Right, so as for the nuances and implications, I would say gold can have sudden spikes and gaps. Spreads and execution matter a lot. News events impact it heavily. Core fitting is very experienced with specialized EAs. So in practice, use conservative risks and a good ECN broker with VPS. So who is the EA actually for? The EA is ideal for traders focused on gold who understand commodity dynamics and can handle volatility. It's good for those wanting a specialized XAUUSD system. You should avoid this EA if you trade multiple pairs, prefer simple EAs, or have low risk tolerance for gold swings. Overall, Quantum Gold Pro EA brings advanced logic to gold trading. It has potential for dedicated XAUUSD traders, but requires proper setup and realistic expectations. Test thoroughly on demo. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. So trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.